Today my topic is use of EMSIGNER in Google Chrome. Generally we use Google Chrome for file GST return online using GST portal, but sometimes we got EMSIGNER error that failed to establish connection to the server. Kindly restart EMSIGNER at the time of use digital sign online. Before we start, most important thing is that you have to be installed latest Google Chrome, latest version Java and latest EMSIGNER and digital sign driver which you use on PC. If also you got same error, please follow this step. Step number 1, open Google Chrome and type command as showing on step 2 and also highlighted. I am typing in Google Chrome address bar and press enter. There is option showing allow invalid certificates for resources loaded from localhost. By default it is disabled. You have to enable by clicking on down arrow and click enable. Right side at the bottom there option showing relaunch. Click on it. Google Chrome will reopen and now it is showing enabled as you see in the video. Now open EST portal and try to sign online using EMSIGNER. It will be working, or if it's not working, please restart the PC and try again to sign using EMSIGNER on GST portal. I hope you will get solution for your error. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, then press like button and please subscribe and share my channel.